Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. For today's video, I wanted to go ahead and do a fall inspired makeup tutorial. I really wanted an excuse to play with these colors, especially this lip color. I feel like I've seen like this ox blood berry lip everywhere, so I really wanted an excuse to do a look with it, and this is what I came up with. So if you're interested in seeing how I got here, I promise you guys it's super easy. Stay tuned, or let's just jump right in. First things first, I'm making sure my face is nice and moisturized. This is the Ulta Beauty Aqua Blast Hydrating Beauty Mist. It has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, and I just let it settle into my face, and it definitely makes my face feel nice and plump. And of course, some Vaseline lip therapy for my lips, because who wants chapped lips? I definitely need to do my brows. If you guys want to see a just brow video, I will certainly show it to you. But I'm just using the same concealer that I used to clean up my brow, the Ulta Full Coverage Liquid Concealer in Deep Warm. And I'm using it to use kind of as an eyeshadow base. And I love this e.l.f. brush. It's so bomb.com, y'all. Anyways, time for the eyeshadow. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I start off with this lighter yellow, but then I go in with a bit of a deeper yellow tone because it just wasn't giving me the color payoff I wanted. And I'm also going to end up going in a second with the orange ready tone, like a red orange tone. I was kind of trying to create the falling leaves effect. And I'm just doing this right in my crease. Then using the It's My Ray Ray palette, also by BH Cosmetics, I'm going in with Brownie Bite. I'm going to put that all over my lower lid. This is technically a contour color, but I mean, I'm making my own rules, so, you know, I didn't really want to use black. I hate using black eyeshadow, but it is what it is. And then I'm just wetting with the, I'm just wetting my brush and using the highlighter Radiance, and I'm putting that right in the inner corner. I really like the way that this comes out, and you kind of just play with it until it's out enough that you can see it, but not out enough that it's like your whole eye is shimmery now. I definitely wanted this to be a more wearable all the time look, so. Now I'm going in with the CoverGirl Liquid Line Blast eyeliner pen, and this is just in black, and I'm just going ahead and doing my waterline. And then I like to do this trick whenever I don't want to do falsies. I just go in with two mascaras. My two favorites are the Tarteist mascara, and then once that is applied, first of all, let me show you guys the difference. Hold up, wait a minute, hold the press. Do you see the difference? Yes. Then I like to go in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This stuff, it really makes it look like I'm wearing falsies without me having to put on falsies. So now it's time for the rest of my face makeup. I'm just priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and then I'm going in with my Anastasia Stick Foundation. I'm in Cool Golden, and I like this, and I've really been feeling applying my foundation with a brush over a sponge lately. I don't know why. I'm sure I'll go back to my sponge any minute now, but it's just what I've been feeling lately, and I love how this foundation, I know it's an oldie, but it's so good. I love it. So I'm just blending it out. Trust me, I blended it out for a lot longer than this video is going to show. That includes the eyeshadow, but it's just blending. But look at how smooth my face looks. Like, it really looks like I have a filter on. Now I'm going in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and this is in CW7 or Tan. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. I like this because it has a little bit of orange in it, so it helps me cover up a little bit of my super dark circles. And I do my forehead, I do under where my contour is gonna go, my chin, and right down the middle of my nose. I'm using this e.l.f. concealer brush again, y'all. It's $3. Run and get it. It's so good, so good. Then I'm just going to go ahead and bake. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. So baking is really awesome. I love it. I just put on a whole lot more powder than I need and kind of let it sit on my face to just make sure that everything is set nicely. And wherever I put concealer, I go ahead and put the powder. Now I'm gonna go back in with the it's my Ray Ray palette. I love to contour with this color. It's the color Mocha. It really like gets me right, and I know that it looks like I'm going a little overboard with the contour, but I promise once you blend it out, it looks so good. I'm just blending that sucker out. Oh, also I like to take a smaller like eyeshadow brush and just kind of do, you know, contour my nose, give myself a quick nose job, because you know, I do like to go a little deep with the nose contour, but I mean, it is what it is. All right, time to take off all this excess powder. I'm just using a big face brush to just kind of wipe everything off. And now it's time for blush. This is the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit, and I mix the colors Fearless and Limitless together. And my fave, this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Hustler, baby. Look at that. Look at my nose. Bam, bam. I love this highlighter, like, but a little bit definitely goes a long way. So you want to be careful. Yeah, be careful. Especially if you're not one of these like glazed donuts kind of girl, because I definitely am a glazed donut kind of girl. I don't care what season it is. And of course, I'm going to use a dark lip color, so I like putting a little bit on my Cupid's bow and just right over the top of my lips. The lip liner I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Plum. Of course, I'm a city girl, so sorry if you hear that ambulance. And then I'm using the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. This is in the color, what color? Backstage. And you guys, this is so pretty. It's such a pretty berry color with like red, like super red undertones. So it almost looks like I was eating strawberries or something. And then to set everything, I'm just using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. Yeah, because set your makeup so it can last longer, because duh. And now I almost forgot to do my lower lashes, so I'm only going to do the Tarteist ones on the lower lashes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I told you guys it was super simple, and I hope you were able to follow along. I'm going to have all of the makeup details, like all the products used, down in the description box. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any feedback, you can leave it in the comment section below. And you can follow me on Instagram. It's going to be down in the description box also. I'm going to have plenty of makeup looks coming up on there. And yeah, don't forget to hit that follow button. And if you haven't already, go subscribe. You've made it this far in the video, you might as well subscribe to my channel. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye guys.